What's up, guys? This is Travis out here at the Everything Attachments factory on a Friday. Kind of quiet back here. Everybody's gone home for the weekend. I thought I'd give you guys a little quick look at what's going on, how they left it. Right here we have a wicked 72-inch brush cutter. Check that out. That's the new EA gearbox hood. Tight, no rattling while you use it. To get it off, you got to push that down. I don't think I can do it while I'm holding this phone. It's a hefty plate there, but just take that linchpin off, pull the hood up, and you have full access to your gearbox shaft, PTO shaft. It just makes life so much easier. Put it back on, you're ready to roll. So you can get to it, grease it. We do offer these on the website as upgrades, or if you have a different brand, there's a couple different bolt spacing choices you can make. It's a nice, it's about $90, free shipping. Right here you see these are going to be featured on Everything Attachments brush cutter. So you got your Wicked 60, 48, 72, all of them. Right there, the best landscape rake on the planet. Looks like an 84-inch. That's severe extreme. Cat 1 and 2, quick hitch compatible. Best time bar in the industry. Subcompact plow. Even a BX John Deere 1 Series 1025 Mahindra Max. You can get it in different colors. Somebody wanted some orange. Must be a Coyote, maybe a Kubota. So I'll just we'll take a little quick stroll. Huge Wicked 55 batch going through right now. 200-pound range. Look at that Wickeder Hard Ox channel there. This one's been tacked up. There's some lids for the Wicked 55. Got those laminated lower tines. Strongest you can buy. Look at this. That's a big, beautiful wall right there. Wicked 55s. Some Wicked brush cutters. 60-inch right there. See the Hard Ox shining on there. 72-inch Wicked. It's just like we saw that green one over there. This one's been tacked up, ready for some solid, continuous welds. Wicked 55 lid. Right there, some brush cutter tail wheel components there. Got that DON round tubing. It's the bottom of a 72. It's tacked up. That's what we like right there. You can see down here, see that weld penetration from the other side. Just let you know it's burning in real nice. That's a compact Wicked box blade. Those Hard Ox easy change, easy adjust rippers on it. Cat 1 quick hitch compatible. Another brush cutter. Wicked 55. Right there, that'll be a severe extreme box blade, Cat 1, 2. It'll have the Wicked rippers on it. It's got the 1/2-inch sides on it. Mold boards for our extreme compact plow. Yeah, I said compact plow, but you see what that red tin is? You know it, Hard Ox. We use the Hard Ox where it needs to be used. So you see there, takes a beating right there when you're tilting those things. Also on the post where you angle it, where the moldboard's attached to the frame, that's hard ox as well. On the landscape rakes, we just so many things we make, we put that hard ox where it needs to be. Just like that. Pallet fork frames, I've been mentioning quick ship pallet forks. So we have the John Deere quick attach, we have the skid steer quick attach, 2,200 pound rated and 3,000 pound rated forks, quick ship, ready to roll. Wicked Tooth Bar's been shipping within about 4 weeks or so here lately. Wicked Buckets have been shipping quicker. The way we production's been, I don't think for these new orders rolling in, our build time should go down to about 12 weeks coming up. So just try to keep that in mind when you're planning for spring. If you need snow equipment, we have the WR Long stuff. Their build time's about 4 weeks max right now, so keep that in mind. Their snow blades, snow pushes. It's got the Cincinnati laser. I can see it's cutting out some quick attach components, the brackets for the bottom like we use on the forks, the grapples. Bystronic. We've had a Bystronic technician here all week working on the newer Bystronic over there. Put a new head on it. So that's a good thing is we've got 2 of them, so it didn't put us out that bad. Right here. Look at that. That's our new plasma there. That's what we're going to use we'll cut the master sheets of steel so we can buy the bigger sheets, cut them down to where we can fit them on our lasers over there, so that'll save us some money. And we'll also be able to cut out the Piranha style Wicked Tooth Bar, sell it for less money than the serrated Wicked serrated tooth bar that has to go to the Haas mill. But this won't have quite the bevel. It'll have a more blunt angle on it, like a 45, rather than our really steep just the Wicked, man. It's, some people think they like that Piranha style, but get the Wicked. It'd still be my choice. But if somebody brags about the Piranha, has somebody convinced they want that Piranha style, EA is going to offer it. We'll offer it for less money than the Wicked, just because there's less time and labor that goes into it. So we'll offer that with that same superior hard ox steel. So you'll have that going for you if you like that smoother style. How about this? There's some it's for large, compact, and utility tractors, dual lid Wickedness, right next to the compact original dual lid Wicked. So you can kind of see the difference in size. See that hard ox shining. Right there's some Wicked 60s. Still several rolling through here. That's the extreme duty compact landscape rake that I shared some photos of the other day. May have been yesterday. 1/2 inch steel right there. Cat 1, quick hitch compatible. Got your offset function feature, so you can swing it off to the side. See that hard ox down there? Right there is the pallet forks, compact forks, lightweight, 238 pounds with the 42-inch tines, 2,200 pound rated. You got all these laser indexing, so they put it together like a Lego before they weld it. So that's good for the welder. It makes it easier on those guys, and just adds another piece of structural integrity there. So you're not just relying on the welds, you have the tabs as well. Look at that. Got that wicked 55 wall still going. Disc harrow, cat 1 and 2. Large box frame disc harrow. Original wickedness. Got some receivers, some of those severe extreme landscape rake. That's the mount for the tractor there, cat 1, 2. Got that DOM collar, big solid steel shaft on that tine bar going through there. Here's some wicked tooth bars in the 127s on order numbers, 127 467, 127 724, 127 533, 532, 522. Right there's that solid steel shaft. It's 5 o'clock on Friday, guys. I can't hardly talk here, but we'll get through this. Hey, see that hard ox? So that solid steel shaft right there will go right through that DOM collar, greasable. Some wicked rippers. Right there, some hard ox fork tines. Nowhere else on the planet can you buy something like that. 100% USA made, in-house pallet fork tines. It's another one of those severe extreme tine bars for the landscape rake. Nice and spooky over here. Some wicked rippers. I think I see that's some John Deere quick attach. I can barely make it out. John Deere quick attach compact fork frames, quick ship. Some brush cutter. You can get those hard ox blades as an option on the 60-inch wicked brush cutter, and it comes standard on the 72. So right there's the tail wheel assemblies for the wicked 60 and 72, completely hard ox. Got that DOM on the back, garden bedders. All right, guys, that was just a quick little stroll. Hadn't done it in a while. I had no real intentions of doing it. I just went and got me a refill on some little H2O there, and I'm getting ready to shut her down for the weekend. Hope you guys enjoy. Appreciate you watching. Just give us a call, email, if we can assist you with the greatest tractor attachments you can hook to your tractor and invest your money in. I do appreciate the support. Y'all have a great weekend. Travis out.